All right, folks. Just like last night, like I said, I'd be doing the pack out hack today. All right. Now, a little bit different than what we used to have seen. Now, last year, they also utilized the pack out crate with the hack. But if you remember last year, and it was like bedlam when we had the rollout box for $18.88. And, I think it was the large box for $32. Could have happened again? Absolutely. So we're going to have to keep our eyes peeled. But we can't really count on that happening. So the hack is what we got to work with. All right. So $199, right, for the 3 boxes. Now, again, the ToughSystem is $149. So obviously you're getting those boxes cheaper, much cheaper in certain cases, but pretty much, again, the pack out boxes are better. All right. Let's be honest. Even though the ToughSystem 2.0 is an upgrade, right, from the 1.0, we'll call it. Still just something about the pack out, right? They're just made better. And obviously the latching system, though, I'll tell you, the 2.0, I think it works pretty well. But, obviously the Milwaukee latching system is very good as well. All right, so what we're going to do is we'll add the crate. Okay. And don't forget all the nice accessories now. Your customizable worktop, right? Your mounting plate, which is actually an awesome, feature for this crate. Okay. But you can see everything else. We'll go through it right here. And I'll put this whole page up, but let's just do the hack here first. Yeah. All right, $143. Whoa. This was usually $129 for years. Why is it up? Well, like I said, it's materials are tough. Now, these are made in Israel, but I guess it's just price increases everywhere. Okay. And then we got the large box. Okay, so $102. Now, compared to the ToughSystem 1.0 for $59 and the 2.0 for $66, like I said, you're paying substantially more, all right, for the rolling pack out box. $100 is still, better than $129 than it usually is. Now, again, I don't know where $143 has come into it. All right, here's a comparison again of the 2.0 DeWalt versus our Milwaukee PackOut. So the large box, again, $89. So they've kind of upped everything. Okay, this is usually a $79 box. Now it's $89. All right, the rolling box, usually $129. Now $143. And the crate, usually $39.99, is now $43.62. So Milwaukee is, kind of up to their tricks again with, upping prices a little bit. I haven't seen it with a lot of other companies as much. It seems to be Milwaukee doing it the most. But we can still hack it. So you kind of are paying definitely a lower price than they're upped MSRPs. All right, so $31 for the crate. I think last year it was like 28 and change. Right, the rolling box I think was like $95, and I think this box was around $55. But it all equals $199. But the hack, they kind of, that's why I say people, it's. I don't think Home Depot likes it. They know exactly what they're doing, and they are. This has been going on for 4 years. I've been doing these hacks, and they haven't stopped them once yet. Either the brands or Home Depot. So they know. They know. Oh yes, they know. All right. So again, if you want to compare it to the DeWalt 48 for their large box versus 64, all right, not a $16 difference. You got to remember these are a little bit bigger, the DeWalt. Obviously they're both 22-inch, but I don't know, because they attach to the, you heard me talk about it, because the 1.0s and these are fully compatible, but they're like a little bit wider, a little bit taller. It's like, because they say it's like 20% more storage in these boxes compared to 1.0. But anyway, $356, you can get all 6 of these. All right, which really isn't killer, but I know a couple people commented under last night's video saying that they have both the 2.0 and the PackOut. So, but remember, you're getting the crate. So not only is it $149 for the DeWalt, okay, rather than $199. Remember, you're getting an actual box with DeWalt for $149. Okay? You're getting a crate here. So you can actually buy a DeWalt crate for $20 and, still be under that $199 and have a 4-piece system. But again, it depends on what you like. Again, for me, it's not too much of a big deal. But again, I know a lot of you have these boxes. And if there's still people buying these PackOut, they're obviously new viewers and new people into the tool, community and tool industry, because these have been out a while now. Obviously not the 2.0, but the PackOut. So you really should have all this stuff. I just want to erase the DeWalt stuff so you can see the $199. $199, sir. Okay, now let's try to remove this crate real quick and put the small box and see what happens. It's not even an option here. Rolling toolbox. Now there's something going on with these as well. All right, so you got your 2-drawer and you got your 3-drawer here. Obviously not going to lie to you, and my feelings. These are great boxes. I absolutely love these. I love everything about them. I love the protective bar that keeps the drawers closed. I love the size of the drawers. Again, you can fit so much, even in that 3-drawer box, like I went over. Let's take a look at the cart here. But, you're looking at over $300, okay, for 2, yes, strong resin plastic, but 2 plastic boxes. A little steep, But again, I don't think that they're overpriced. I mean, I don't know. Oh, I put two of these in. And this the two drawer looks like it's sold out. Let me put another one in. I thought I hit it twice. I thought I did. And here's our extra large box for 109. Yeah, $354. I mean, they're for the old school pack out. And they did throw you a little small organizer there. But the price increases of the pack out is pretty absurd. This is a good setup for $69. Extra large box 109. Again, you can get the rolling box for 102. I'd go that route. Yeah, I can't even add this to my cart for some reason. Oh, look at this Klein Tools little box, $239. Load up to 250 pounds, 8-inch wheels like the Milwaukee has. 1680D ballistic. Hard top, heavy duty telescoping handle. Metal latches, 7 interior pockets. They got a couple spots on here, a couple hooks that you can strap down stuff. And look, they got their little speaker, a spot for their little crappy speaker. And looks like you got a little hole here, I guess maybe to put a light. All right, so let me look at the cart. For some reason, the two drawer box is gone. I can't even really even add it to my cart. Although I just had it in my cart. Now it's not available anywhere. But there is supposed to be something going on, some type of deal with the drawer boxes. I don't know how you have to configure it. Maybe I think you just have to buy both of the drawer boxes. Or I think that's what it's going to be. All right, 229. Yeah, see, the small case is not in here. So you have to buy that. You're not able to hack that. Now, in store, you might be able to hack the three-piece, the large box, the small box, and the rolling box. You might be able to do that in store, but you can't do it online. All right? And again, I think there's something... It says any one of those three. I mean, it's just so hard to do because nothing's in stock right now. Three-drawer toolbox. There's the crate, large box, rolling. And there's the crate, medium box, rolling box.